In this task 4, we have been asked to add customers and supplier details. So we have given 1, 2, 3, 4 customers, and we also have given 4 suppliers, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a customer and suppliers. So as you can see here, setup, because we are setting up a customer and supplier. Let's go to setup. In setup, you can see an accounts. So in accounts, we are going to set up a customer account. So click on customer. So the new window has prompt. In this new window, we are going to set up a new customer. Click on new customer. So the customer name, first customer we have been given Biscorp Limited. So it's Biscorp Limited, and their account number LTD 101. So LTD 101, and contact details we have been given no contact name we have given, but we have given the address. So let's put the address. So delivery address the same. So we are not going to add a delivery name and address because it's the same. Now credit terms, we are not going to set any new credit terms. If you want, we can set up a credit terms here, but we are not going to go into that details. Like here, as you can see that from month end, from the invoice date, we can see set this one up, but I'm not going to set that one up. So no VAT, so we are not going to set up the VAT also. If you want, you can enter the bank details. If you want to enter any notes, you can enter. If you want to enter any contact number, contact address, we can enter it. So if there is no contact name, so therefore I'm not entering the contact name also here. So just I'm creating with the company name. Click OK. Biscorp Limited is created. Next one, another company we are going to create. It's Mr. A Patel. So let's create new one. Customer name A Patel, the number SA101. Again, I'm going to enter their address. Mr. Patel's contract address is this. Done. Delivery address, and this is same. So no other information is given to us, no credit terms given to us, no VAT number given to us, no bank details given to us. Therefore I am completing with the customer 2. Mr. Patel is being created. Next one, Mrs. Khan. We are going to create a new customer, Mrs. Khan, as per the list provided to us. New Mrs. Khan, account number SA102, address is given to us, number 12. VT is very user friendly, like we can copy and paste the address, and again no other information is given to us, only the address detail has given to us. Therefore I have created that one. The final one, Global Consultants. Copy, create a new one, Global Consultants. Limited. Ltd 102. Address okay, so all 4 customers created. Thank you.